Today we're going to talk about RBL's Restoration Plus product. It's very simple to use and it has one purpose. It is a wipe-on temporary coating to protect metals during the restoration process. This was developed in the mid-80s, this product, by Henkel Corporation, the world's largest pretreatment company. Its specific purpose was when Asians started flooding our market with steel, it had to come over from Japan, Korea, etc., over the United States, over salt water for many, many days. When the steel coils got here, they had rust on them. Henkel developed a very quick, simple remedy for that, which is a spray-on or wipe-on coating that prevented the rust, and it worked. We took that technology and we've reapplied it, and RBL offers it in a very simple Ziploc bag with 5 wipes. All you'll do is go ahead and take out a wipe. You'll go over the bare metal, okay, by wiping. Once you do that, you'll notice that the surface is shiny. You are all done, okay? While we're looking at this panel, it's very important to see that this metal was ground down, this panel. It was epoxy coated. It was left bare metal, and then Restoration Plus. This was put on 9 months ago. You could see there is no corrosion whatsoever. There is flash rust on the bare metal, and of course the epoxy primer finish is kept very, very nice. Now, when you're done, okay, whenever that is, a month or 2 months, 6 months down the road, and you're ready to prime these panels that you've been restoring, it's important to know that this is a temporary coating. I want you to go ahead and remove it with the wax and grease removing pre-cleaning system from RBL. That's recommended. Then after that, prior to priming or painting, the RBL pre-treatment cut-through pen, you'll wipe over that with either a wiper or a pen. You'll let it dry, and then you're ready to prime and paint. That concludes our video.